Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the security. Now we have to scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the clear credentials option, so basically the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, tap on OK if you are ready. As you can see, it's quite serious operation, let's say, so your device will ask you to enter any kind of screen lock you've got set, to confirm of course. And as you can see after that, we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.